Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is March the 19th and this is Henry. We're going to be looking at the chart of the S&P 500 today, SPX 45 minutes time frame here. So as we can see, we're looking for more downside as long as it stays below 68.44. The structure of the pullback for the time being is being labeled as a WXY, double three. So the W in blue, intermediate degree, ended here with the subdivision of another WXY. And then you got an X completed. So now looking for the Y leg down. Okay, so let's zoom out on the daily time frame to get ideas where we are in the larger time frame. Okay, so here is the daily time frame here, and let's put the X and the W in blue in that daily time frame to get ideas where we are. That's the X in blue, that's the W in blue. Okay, so as you know, we made all-time high back in January this year, and based on this current price action, we can say this cycle from April last year concluded, right? I mean, it's been a very long cycle here. It's almost a year, but that cycle has concluded. So now we're looking to correct that cycle in a larger degree pullback. Okay, so the structure of the pullback, for the time being, it doesn't look impulsive. For the time being, okay, doesn't look impulsive. It looks kind of corrective. Okay, so if we are correct that this is a corrective structure, then that means we should be extending lower to the next around 100% extension. This area is the next target on the downside. And then because if it is not an impulse, then we should be able to get some sort of reaction higher from here. Now the reaction may not be making new high, but if it is corrective, we can get some sort of reaction. And if we decide to do a bigger degree correction, then after the reaction we can continue to go down again. But this is a potential area where we can see some sort of reaction higher in the SPX between 64.75, 62.47. In the meantime, though, shorter cycle, we should be looking for more downside here, and any rally in the shorter cycle should fail for more downside with a minimum target of around 64.75 to 62.47. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on the S&P or any other indices, Forex indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.